Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. After US crypto assets have been held for ETH whales as the population continues to expand, Shiba Inu holders have been redistributed. Shib developers have been working tirelessly for Mater, one of the most prominent cryptocurrencies on the market. This video will explain why Elon Musk is so upset with the CEO of Shiba Inu. Why should people remember the coin delight? Share and subscribe to the channel to receive the latest Shiba Inu price forecast and expert analysis. Let's start watching the video right away. The Shiba Inu may have started as a meme, but cryptocurrencies aren't funny anymore. Shiba Inu, the dogecoin killer, has grown exponentially in 2021, overtaking Bitcoin and Ethereum to become one of the most popular cryptocurrencies. Last year, the cryptocurrency surpassed Dogecoin to reach the top of the meme currency pyramid. Shiba then used ascension as he broke multiple records. Thus, the Shiba Inu struck again during the most volatile period in the cryptocurrency market to continue its winning streak. Shiba Inu managed to attract millions of investors and Ethereum whales despite unforeseen circumstances. The average value of the top 100 ETH whales is 14 million. The Shiba Inu seems to have established itself as a valuable asset among their possessions. The Shiba Inu is now the most valuable crypto asset held by ETH whales, and it beats us. The population of the Shiba Inu is growing as the middle-class holders are redistributed. Shib developers have been working tirelessly to make Shib one of the most prominent cryptocurrencies in the market. The developers introduced cryptocurrency to the metaverse. In addition, the launch of the Shiba Inu network will facilitate crypto growth and development by enabling the processing and execution of smart contracts and transactions. As Ethereum whales stock Shiba Inu tokens, their prices increased by about 15% over the past 24 hours several weeks ago. The Cube development initiatives have been highly criticized by market analysts and critics. However, the ship is likely to recover with the help of greater power being given to it by Ethereum investors. Shiba Inu demand has increased from the Bitstamp community along with the breed's growing popularity. According to the announcement, Shiba Inu transfers are now allowed. Limit orders can be placed and cancelled at any time, but will not be fulfilled until a later date. Once there is enough liquidity, full trading will begin. The listing of the Shiba Inu on Bitstamp is turning the meme currency. Bitstamp stands out among trading platforms, particularly in terms of its reliability and trustworthiness. Bitstamp has over 4 million subscribers in more than 100 countries at the moment. The exchange is likely to be the first port of call for Europeans seeking to store their digital currency. Shiba Inu and their owners will benefit greatly from the marketing of fillers. The listing may increase its popularity, which will attract new investors. The ship's crew is involved in many exciting projects. The following criteria were identified in our initial correspondence. Shiba Inu recently announced in a blog post that rewarding stakeholders who believe in our ecosystem will receive 3% of the money generated from the land event over a long period of time from users who hang up the leash and bid on any land. During the first two phases of the early access offer, the event and owner event will receive sales rewards. The bonus distribution will be proportional to what you insure based on the total time and total lease closed. All rewards will be distributed and stamped. The contract is based on selling the land for reward and distribution accordingly. We had an exciting release and successful event broadcast. However, we still have land available and not sold at the time of writing. As a result, we're building a new contract to continue distributing 3% bonus to those who participated in the Lock the Leash during our first early access event. In order to acknowledge our users and handlebar lock holders that they have waited for the sale period, this updated contract enables you to access the rewards without selling them after 90 days. Reward lock rewards will be available to all users. To be fair to everyone who is locked in, the deadline is set for July 2nd, 2022, according to Sherburne Tracker. On July 4, Maddox's total market capitalization was surpassed by the amount of coins burned on the Shiba Inu network, with over $4 billion in tokens destroyed since the mechanism was implemented, according to Burn Tracker. The network has burned more than 410 trillion tokens with the help of many companies and organizations that use the token. The developers have created a Shib burning mechanism and ongoing support for tokens. The price, which should go up as the supply of tokens decreases since the burn mechanism was implemented months ago. The total amount of burned coins must be higher, making the new supply of burned coins in Shiba greater than the supply of coins. You, me, and even Litecoin are included. Due to the lack of liquid assets capable of absorbing such a massive amount of gray, the actual value of the burned coins is much less than $4. Theoretically, bringing 410 trillion Shiba Inu tokens into the market would likely bring the token price close to zero, thus reducing the market capitalization to zero. Created in 2020, the Shiba Inu and ERC20 token resemble Dogecoin Doge, another prominent cryptocurrency. Despite the initial foundations of the platform, it has changed the basics. It now has a DEX, a platform for the metaverse that is rapidly moving towards long-term positioning token burning. In addition, the token is increasingly being used for payments, and the number of companies accepting it is increasing. It is currently one of the most influential and interesting cryptocurrencies in the world. Almost half of the quadrillion original tokens were burned. After the winter of 2022, the Shiba Inu could reach 1 cent in the cryptocurrency market, according to the forecast. By 2023, the price is expected to reach 15 cents. The ecosystem for this token is still in its infancy, but given the internal fundamentals and overall market growth being driven by Bitcoin, the price of owning a Shiba Inu could go up. This year, Shiba Inu price is expected to end the week in the red after a soft bullish correction in the last week of June, when some cryptocurrencies experienced a total collapse in price action with lower declines than the previous week's lows. In retrospect, the chip price looks more favorable, although it still has bearish cap, and the bulls are poised to attack at a moment's notice. We expect bearish momentum to prevail for now, but let's send them a turnaround next summer. After weeks of trying to break above and above the 55-day simple moving average, Shiba Inu prices are falling further as custodians, and price action is hovering above to the downside. The bulls, whose attempt was thwarted, fell victim to a bull trap that pressured them to the downside as they tried to cut their losses. However, unlike some other cryptocurrencies, there has been no acceleration in the negative trend. On the other hand, Bitcoin Start Studio projects are expected to increase Bitcoin adoption, but ERC20 adoption will be greater. With all these developments, the blockchain is keeping Bitcoin bullish, and Bitcoin has the potential to grow tenfold in the next few days. In recent weeks, the Shiba Inu currency has fluctuated below 5 and 4 zeros, despite the expected cancellation of 1 zero from the currency in the coming weeks. At the time of writing, the price of the Shiba Inu 9,960 is 4 cents. 5 zeros. After the introduction of the Shiba farm, the price of Shiba is expected to go up and wipe out 104. Good. This concludes our discussion for today. Don't forget to give us a great review and subscribe to our channel to keep up with our latest content.